Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Ha ha ha. We'll see how many of you got that. Teachers, I know that we have a lot of resources in ClassLink, and I love all of them. You may have heard that Scholastic is offering their Learn at Home program for free right now, and it's actually a really great program, and I wanted to talk to you guys about this just in case you have kids that are wanting more things to do or parents that are reaching out to you. This will be just somewhere good to send them. And I will include the link in the email. So you either can click Learn at Home or Get Started Here, whichever one. Then you choose your grade level. I'm going to choose grades 3 through 5. And they have so far 3 weeks, and they have like week 1, day 1. So just look at this. So this is day 1 is Meet a Teen Changing How the World Views Disabilities in Nothing Can Stop Her. So that is a video. And then they get to listen, they get to travel virtually, and then they get to also hang out with some sloths that play sports. And it includes 3 articles. You kind of have a low, medium, and high. You can either ask them to read one of the articles, you can ask them to read all 3, and maybe write a paragraph about which article was their favorite. This is just something extra that is going to be really easy for you guys to include if some kids are asking for more. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you guys soon. Be safe.